Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share 5 amazing free online courses that give you real certificates. Let's jump right in. The first one is Google Digital Garage. This is Google's learning platform, and their Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course is completely free. It covers everything from SEO to social media. And once you finish, you get a certificate directly from Google. This is a way to show employers you understand the basics of online marketing, and the certificate is recognized worldwide. Next, check out Harvard's CS50, Introduction to Computer Science. This course is available for free on edX. It's beginner-friendly, covers the basics of programming, and if you complete the assignments, you can get a verified certificate for free if you apply for financial aid. This is a golden opportunity to learn from one of the best universities in the world. The third one is Coursera's The Science of WellBeing by Yale University. This course dives into the psychology of happiness and well-being, and a real Yale professor teaches it. You can audit the course for free, and if you apply for financial aid, you can also get a free certificate. It's a great way to learn practical tips for a happier life, backed by science. Number 4 is Allisons Diploma in Project Management. Allison is a lesser-known platform, but it offers tons of free courses with certificates. This project management course covers everything from planning to execution, and once you pass the final assessment, you get a digital certificate at no cost. Perfect for anyone looking to step into management roles. And finally, we have LinkedIn Learning's Time Management, Working from Home. Now, LinkedIn Learning usually charges, but they often have free access periods and trials. This course is short, practical, and you get a certificate you can add directly to your LinkedIn profile. Keep an eye out for their free access promotions. So there you have it, 5 incredible free online courses with real certificates that you can start today. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tip. And if you want to make your computer fast again, click up here in the top right corner to watch my next video on the best free tools to speed up your PC. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.